Hi everyone, today we're reviewing an embedded smart TV model AVS240KS on the Android TV 7.1 operating system with 8 GB of internal memory and 1 GB of RAM. This model is made in a standard case 600mm wide and 455mm high, which corresponds to the dimensions of built-in kitchen appliances. This TV model is presented in 3 colors, with a black frame, a white frame, and a full mirror surface. The TV connects to the internet in 2 ways, using a wire through the RJ45 connector or wirelessly through the built-in Wi-Fi receiver. The TV has a modern digital tuner with support for DVB-T and DVB-T2 broadcasting. In addition, you can connect satellite or cable TV. Paid subscriptions and channels can be connected using the CI Plus slot by installing the corresponding CAM module into it. The front panel of the TV is made of tempered glass and fully protects the TV from moisture. It can be washed with any non-abrasive detergent. This TV model can be safely installed over ovens, hoods or sinks, which is the main advantage over conventional household TVs. For installation, 2 types of Blum or Kessebohmer lifting mechanisms can be used: a conventional hinged and a slider. It is also possible to use a servo. Thus, the TV will take place of one facade and the place behind the TV can be used for storage. This is the second advantage over conventional TVs. With the 24-inch IPS matrix with Full HD resolution, we get a high-quality image with wide viewing angles, 178 degrees vertically and horizontally, 1000:1 contrast ratio, and brightness of 250 candles per meter squared. The sound does not disappoint either. Thanks to the built-in speakers, the sound is transmitted directly from the front panel to the viewer. The TV is equipped with 2 remotes. One is waterproof. It can be used during cooking. If you suddenly get it dirty, just rinse it under the tap. The second remote control with voice search and an air mouse function. The first time you turn on the remote with voice search, you will need to set it up. Let's see how it's done. It is necessary to hold on the on-off button on the air mouse. When the indicator flashes, point the second remote control from the TV at the air mouse and press the on-off button on it. The indicator on the air mouse blinks again. This indicates that the second remote control is configured. Today we looked at the built-in smart TV AVS240KS. The link to the unpacking video is in the description. See you in the next video and goodbye.